Namaskar Mitro, in today's video I will make a gesture control mini tank using the ESP-NOW protocol. So let's start by building the receiver first. To build the receiver we need an ESP32 and a motor driver. You can easily build it on the breadboard by following this circuit diagram. However, I want to make the tank as small as possible, so here I am using GLC PCB to build this project. So first of all I created the circuit in Easy IDE, converted it into PCB and generated its Gerber file. After that I log on to glcpcb.com to order PCB. GLC PCB offer free VI-in pads for their multi-layer PCBs. Using VI-in pad often means higher additional costs, but in GLC PCB you can enjoy this service for free. VI-in pad allows VIAs to be placed directly on the copper pads. This gives a lot of extra flexibility in routing, especially under BGA components. Additionally, GLC PCB is currently running a promotion for 6-layer board, so click the link below to claim a $10 coupon. To order PCBs, upload your Gerber file on GLC PCB's website, select PCB settings and order high quality PCB at very affordable price. I received the PCB at my doorstep within 1 week. The quality of the PCBs is top notch and they look neat and clean. If you want to take your project to the next level, head over to glcpcb.com and order your own PCB. The link is available in the description. Now let's solder the components on the PCB. Okay guys, our PCB is ready. Now let's proceed to the coding part. I have already explained the coding process in this video. Everything will remain the same, just replace the transmitter and receiver code. The code link is available in the description. Alright, our programming has been completed. Now let's start the 3D printing process with my new Quality Ender 3 V3 Plus 3D printer. If you want to know more about this printer, click on the I button and watch the full video on this printer after this one. The Ender 3 V3 Plus did a nice job. All the parts are looking neat and clean. Now let's start the assembly process. Alright guys, our tank is ready. Now let's build the transmitter. To build the transmitter, we need the following components. You can build it on a breadboard by following the circuit diagram. I am going to build it on GLC PCB. So our transmitter PCB is ready. Now let's upload the code. Okay guys, our project is ready. Now let's see how it works. I hope you guys like this video. Share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel for more such videos like this. That is it for today guys. I'll see you in the next one.